Hey folks, Aaron here. I've got number 717 ready to show you. This is our last instrument before a vacation, which we haven't had in a long time. But anyway, this is a 5-string banjo made of curly cherry, pistachio, and Texas ebony. And I just love how it sounds and plays. I'm really pleased to get this one making music. So yeah, this curly cherry, this comes from a retired banjo builder. And I really love how it looks and how it sounds. It's got a curly or a Texas ebony cap there, and then we've got Texas ebony binding on the fretboard, Texas ebony stripe, and then we've got pistachio for fretboard and head plate. And I chose a grafted piece of pistachio that also has spalted, means it's got some like fungus growing in there to make those cool black lines. I thought it matched the Texas ebony well that way. It's got a Renaissance head and a brass tone ring, the little hawktail tailpiece from Balsam Banjo Works. And the customer wanted 24 hooks and nuts instead of 18, which I'm fine with. And yeah, it's like, I've been telling you guys for the last 2 years how much I like this curly cherry. I just think it sounds awesome. It's got like a growl to it that I love. It's pretty much as loud as maple, but it's got a lot of character to it. This instrument to me just feels powerful. But it sounds sweet as well. There's just like tons of sustaining overtones and everything. And this has got the full mute in it, and it's got this kind of sound. Excuse me. Yeah, it's really great. So anyway, curly cherry, pistachio, Texas ebony, all together to make a really powerful and beautiful class string banjo. That's number 717, ready to go. Cheers.